In the 11th century, Saint Bernard came to this very area, the border between France and Italy. He built schools and hospitals to support travellers. Today, this monument stands as a testament to the impact that he had and is designed to wish travellers through this area good luck as they go up and down the mountainous terrain. Welcome to episode 7 of the Vespa Diaries Euro Edition. In this episode, I will be travelling from the French Alps through to Venice in Italy to start my 7-day photography course in the Dolomites. From the Dolomites, I then continue my journey further south, down into Tuscany. The Dolomites truly are unique. You're not photographing mountains. You're photographing the remains of an ancient tropical reef that spent the last 250 million years transforming from the ocean floor to the alpine sky. At sunrise and sunset, the magnesium-rich Dolomite rock reflects light differently from most mountains, producing brilliant shades of pink, peach, orange, deep red, and purple. The course was led by two fantastic guides, the internationally accomplished Isabella Tabacchi and Alex Wise, the king of panoramas. So this morning on the photo tour, we've come to Lake Braze. It's a very iconic area here in the Dolomites because you've got this still crystal clear water, these wooden boats, and then you've got the mountains in the background. It's 5:30 in the morning and already the place is starting to fill up with other photographers, and you can see why. It's absolutely stunning. During the day, we drive around and do some more sightseeing, as well as hands-on photo editing sessions, learning from the best. When we arrive at each location, we walk around with our iPhones first, scouting out the location, seeing what shots might work, and the iPhones give a really good example of what you're going to get on the camera. We then go back and go to the spots and work on that composition. You can see here that I'm framing this old bit of tree trunk with the mountain in the background and the reflection. So something that they're really keen on in this course is these focus stacked images where you have flowers or something interesting in the foreground and then a really dramatic background, but you get really close to the subject, so it creates this sort of like vertigo kind of effect. You're looking in at the flowers but then up at the massive mountains. It's a bit of a technique that you've got to learn and master, and it's all about taking a couple of different exposures, setting various focus points, and then merging them in Photoshop and Lightroom later on. We've been set up at this location for about 30 minutes or so, predominantly shooting these 3 pillars here, but behind us this storm was brewing and it came through just only moments ago, soaked everything, but we're getting these really dramatic cloud formations now. And what I'm really liking is this composition here with this refuge hut framed up against the cliffs and then the clouds. It just shows how tiny it is, but because the sun is setting in this direction, it's perfectly illuminating the white walls on the refuge. It's making for a really interesting, dramatic photo. So most evenings are the same. We go to a local restaurant for dinner, and then we head to catch the sunset. So we want to be in position around 8 o'clock at night, so we're all set up for those couple of magic moments that we get when the sun is setting and closing the end to another day. The trip to Tuscany was spectacular. Olive groves, vineyards, sunflower fields, wheat fields. The Vespa truly felt at home. I booked a few nights accommodation in a small town called Pienza. Now, I've stayed in this town before when I was doing another photography tour, and I just loved it so much. There's something about it. It's very Italian. It's small, it's on the top of a hill, and it's got these amazing panorama views all around. In fact, one of the views is actually of the house that was used in the homecoming scene in the first Gladiator film. And that brings us to the end of episode 7. Time now for an Aperol Spritz and a pizza. In the next episode, I'll be heading to Sardinia, spending a week scooting around the island and enjoying some more of that Italian summer sun. See you then.